Hello everyone, myself Sumit Kumar Srivastava, and today we are going to discuss about principle of movement. So principle of movement state that if the body is in equilibrium under the action of number of parallel forces, in that case the sum of clockwise movement about any point is equal to sum of anti-clockwise movement about the same point. So for example, if the beam is pivoted at the center and number of parallel forces are acting on it. Suppose this is the four forces, two on each side. This is force A, this is B, this is C, and this is D. The distance from pivot point, this is x2, this is x1, this is x3, and this is x4. This is the distance. Now if you are taking a moment about point O, what will we we are going to get? The force F into perpendicular distance, force into perpendicular distance, A into x1 plus B into x2. This is the anti-clockwise moment is equal to, now clockwise moment, C into x3 plus D into x4. So as you can see here, the sum of anti-clockwise moment about the point is equal to sum of clockwise moment about the same point. So this is the principle of momentum. Okay, thank you.